Okay, we have a 2017 Yamaha TT-R125L in the shop here. The reason for that is Yamaha updated this bike pretty significantly in 2008, and we have model codes for the older ones, but it's different enough we want to document this bike and extend our coverage. So you'll notice you have the restyled bodywork, so it looks a little more modern, and that's pretty much just cosmetic. You do now have a dual throttle cable set up here. That the old ones only had one cable, so that's different. So we're going to want to go over the handlebars there. As we ease around the bike over on the other side, we can take a look at the where those throttle cables go, which is a different carburetor. Whether these things sit or people want to do jetting, the carburetors come off a lot. So we need to show how to remove this carburetor and disassemble and reassemble it and set it up properly and all that good stuff. The front suspension on these now is adjustable with a preload adjustment at the top. So some had it in the past, some didn't. It might have been a little bit of a different design, so we're going to make sure we catch that and cover that properly. Also, as we come around to this side of the bike, the rear shock has a remote reservoir tucked down in here. So you got a little bit of adjustment there and a little higher quality shock absorber. Some of the old models just had a plain shock with nothing to go with it. So once we go over those changes and throw that all together, we'll have extended model coverage that'll cover all the newer versions of these TT-R125s here.